Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Real Debrid. So, if you don't know what this is, it is a subscription-based service that provides high-speed, unrestricted download access from multiple file hosts. It's commonly used with streaming apps like Kodi or Stremio to provide video streaming quality by offering more reliable and higher quality streaming links. So, let's see if this app or this website is actually legit on Trustpilot right here. And they're rated 2.6 out of 5 stars, which is poor. And as you can see, many people rated it badly. So they said that it's terrible download speeds and terrible customer service, poor download speeds, doxing users is unacceptable, the company lost all its credibility forever, distinguishing company, avoid, distinguishing, blah blah blah, bye Real Debrid. If I could give less, I would. RD changed their policy. 5-star reviews are shill written. Yep. That's mainly the problem from these companies is that it is fake. Many 5-star reviews are faked, and really did work fine for me for years. But it's obviously that's not the case now. So basically, they worked before, but now it doesn't work anymore, since it's now a scam. So please do not use this app. It doesn't work anymore like it used to. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.